Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to increase and adjust text size on Edge browser with just your mobile phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. So I'm going to click on here. So having opened up a Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the bottom right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to accessibility. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply adjust the slider from here. So I'm going to drag it. So the more you drag, the more the text sizing is going to be increasing. This depends on how you want your text sizing to be bold and each time you browse with your Edge browser. It's as simple as that. Once you are done, simply click on here to go back to the home page, and all the text sizing on your browser with Edge is going to drastically increase based on your default settings. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.